Welcome to video lecture series on Fortran. In last video, we have seen arithmetic if statement. To watch that video, please find link in I button. Today we are going to learn logical if statement. Now, logical if statement is similar to arithmetic if statement. It is also a control statement. The syntax of logical if is if in bracket logical expression and then statement. Now in this case, if the logical expression is true, then and then only this statement will get executed. Otherwise this statement will not get executed. We will try to understand it from flowchart. Okay, so from here there is if statement, and if this logical expression is true, it will go to yes on this side. It will execute the statement and it will come back to the if. Otherwise it will go to no and it will exit the if. In this slide we are going to see a program to find out relation between two numbers x and y, as we have seen in case of arithmetic if. Now first we will see flowchart. In flowchart, we will take two values from user, and to take these two values, we will display a message. We will write enter two values x comma y. As soon as user will read this message, it will enter two values and we will store those two values using read command in x and y. Now we will use our logical if statement. So logical if statement is if in bracket logical expression. Logical expression is x is less than y. Remember, while writing less than we have to use .lt dot. Okay, and then statement. So statement is write x is smaller than y. If this statement is true, it will display x is smaller than y. Otherwise it will go to next statement. Okay, so here it is if x is less than y. If this is true, it will display the x is smaller than y. Otherwise it will go to no. Again there is another if statement. Here it is checking whether x is equals to y. If it is true, it will display x is equals to y. Otherwise it will go to no. Here it will check whether x is greater than y. If it is yes, then it will print x is greater than y. Otherwise it will go to no and then stop. Here it should be stop. Okay, the same things have been done in the program. First if statement is true, it will display x is smaller than y. If second statement is true, it will display x is equals to y, and if third statement is true, it will display x is greater than y. Consider that if first statement is true, let us say x is say 2 and y is 4. So what will happen in this case? It will check, now this is true, it will display x is smaller than y. It will go to next statement, but this is false, it will not display this. It will go to next statement, again this is false, it will not display this, and then stop and end. Now if value of x is say 4 and value of y is also 4, then what will happen? It will go to first statement, it is false, it will not display this. Then it will go to second statement, it is true and it will display x is equals to y. Then it will go to third statement, again it is false, it will not display anything, and stop and end. Okay, hope you have understood this. In next video we are going to see how to write a program for calculating roots of quadratic equation using logical if. Thank you.